IP geolocation sounds simple until you actually try to ship it. If you've been following along with the asset enriched devlogs, you may have noticed I've been tiptoeing around this one. That's because IP enrichments aren't as straightforward as domains and URLs. Most of this data you see is provided by third-party vendors, and when you actually read their terms, you'll notice you're not actually allowed to expose that data through your own API, unless you want to spend a lot of money. Those vendors are meant for internal tooling, not for tools like this. But I still want that IP enrichment to be available to you, so I needed a workaround. When we talk about IP enrichment, we'll focus on geolocation, ASN information, reverse lookups, and some basic privacy signals. The hardest part of that is geolocation and ASN. Those aren't trivial to calculate yourself. So I turned to a resource called IP to ASN. They publish quality ASN and country data, update it hourly, and it's free. But the catch, there's no API. They provide a TSV file where each row looks like this. So since we can't call an API, we need to build our own pipeline. The solution I hacked together is a scheduled job that runs on GitHub Actions. That job runs a Python script to pull the TSV file, parse it, and update tables in Supabase. And once that job finishes, we'll have fresh ASN and GeoIP data available without violating anyone's terms. Then we just need to wire it into Asset Enrich. The IP enrichment endpoint already exists as a placeholder, so the logic will be quick. We take an IP, find the range that it falls into, and pull the associated row with ASN, GeoIP, and org information. From there, we just need to build the UI component. Just like the visualizers we created in the last devlog, each high-level key gets its own row. Each row is structured with subfields so that you can understand it at a glance. And you still have access to the raw JSON data if you need it. And just like that, we've completed the IP enrichment from end to end. From scheduled data ingestion to API enrichment to a clean, readable UI. That's another major piece of the platform locked in. I'll see you in the next devlog.